Hello. Amazon? Amazon. I'm smiling just because I love the red and the blue. This is a great look. Look at how good I look. I'm so pretty. You should see my teeth. As Chong would say, and things are tough all over. Teeth, teeth, teeth. Help wanted at Seychelles. That place has had help wanted on it since 1986. Every year, help wanted. Tipsy Turtle used to be the jacaranda. There's a cool chica. Get ready, Seinfeld fans. Jerry? Hello! We're experiencing traffic right now, probably because people are trying to turn and there's bikers going or walkers or something. But this is normally how the traffic is on both sides. Because Periwinkle, what are they doing? 5G? That's 5G.
Well, I was at least lucky to be moving and not be stopped. On a Saturday, they're doing this. Look at this. Son of a gun.
Fiber optic?
Yeah.
You guys doing it everywhere, every day?
Yeah.
White vehicles. Yep. On a Saturday, Sanibel Island, where it should be completely busy. The whole island should be bumping. There should be cars going back and forth. It's unbelievable that this is scheduled right now on this island. Hey, brother. You'd figure with how crazy everything is, they'd stop you from blowing the virus everywhere. Right? Fiber optic. Fiber optic. Not good. That deals with 5G, that deals with faster technology that affects your health. Study just came out about 3G and 4G last month.
Yeah.
And about the effects of how it deteriorates your immune system. So it affects you at a molecular level. This deals with Schumann resonances. 7.83 hertz. It comes out of the ground. That's natural. Everything above ground, unnatural. 20 years worth. I don't consent to it.
I'll look at that.
Schumann resonance. Sorry, brother.
No, you're good.
Hey, gentlemen. Hey, brother. How long is this going to take?
Probably another month.
Just to do this one strip or the island?
Yeah, it's going all the way up. Can't keep them.
So you just do sections at a time?
Well, we're pulling all the pipe through the manhole system. We're drilling the rest.
I'm interested in the process.
Well,
How long does this take?
to pull a pipe through it,
Yeah.
we got to blow a string through it, and then we got to pull the rope through it, and then the machine pulls it back through.
Copy that. I appreciate the information, man. How many of these have you been doing?
Today,
Yeah.
this will be our third one.
A third one, but you started on the island or just came to this point?
Yeah, we just started down there.
Okay.
They're about 1,200 feet apart.
How long is it going to take to do the island?
To do the whole island?
Yeah.
You're talking probably by middle of next month.
Okay. You find a good job, good payment. You're working.
I'm working.
Yeah, I gotcha. I'm concerned about the stuff.
Right.
You know.
Right.
So it's tough. It's tough, like where you get the job and how you weigh it, paying the bills, or. Well, That just happened. I haven't even left the island yet. I just had to go to the post office here on Sanibel Island, and I could not believe what was scheduled to be installed. It's happening, people. The gridding up to control the frequencies and to be able to control our rights and our health even more. I don't know if I handled it well. I know I missed a recording. Much love, always better.